Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an error message on Windows. This says that you need a WIA driver to use this device. Please install it from the installation CD or manufacturer's website and try again. So WIA stands for Windows Image Acquisition Driver. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in services. Best result should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. We're going to go down to the Windows Image Acquisition service. Go ahead and double click on that. Set startup type to automatic, and if service status is stopped, select the start button. And then you want to select apply and OK to save that. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. So there you go, guys. Hopefully this should have been a pretty straightforward process for you. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.